everyone. Guess where I am? I'm grillside, supposedly camping. So what we're gonna do today is we're going to be making some cinnamon crescent rolls, roll-ups on a stick. And we're also gonna do a hot dog rolled up on a stick with a crescent roll. And believe it or not, you can cook it that way too. It doesn't always have to go in the oven. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get that ready. I'm going to wrap up my crescent rolls and around the stick, and I'll be back in a flash to show you what I did. So I have my hot dog, and I'm gonna wrap it up with that crescent roll right around it like you would if you were gonna make it in the oven. So stretch that a little bit. I bet you could do these with the smaller hot dogs as well. So that's that one. And I already wrapped up the crescent roll on the stick. And what I'm gonna do with that is I'm gonna add a little cinnamon sugar on the outside, and then I'm gonna put it over the fire. So I have a little cinnamon and sugar mixture. I'm just gonna kind of, let me do it right here. I'm just gonna kind of sprinkle it like this. And then I'm gonna press it in a little bit. This is the first time I'm trying this, so I hope it comes out good. My little pup is here watching me, very interested in what's going on. Okay, so there we go. We have the cinnamon roll, and then we have the hot dog. And I'm gonna kind of just put them over the, I have a grill open here. You can see it. Oh, sorry about that. I have the grill open, and I'm gonna try to do this so I don't cover. And I don't have an open fire, but I think this would work on open fire as well. So let's see. I'm gonna try just holding it over the fire and see how long it takes to cook. I'll be back in a few, and I'll let you know how long it took me. Hi, so I decided to try it this way too, kind of wrapped up in the crescent rolls and on a little grill holder. I'm not sure what this thing is called exactly, but let's try it out, see how long this one takes. I'll be back in a minute. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so excited. It only took 5 minutes to cook the hot dog and the cinnamon roll on a stick. All you need is that crescent roll, a tube of crescent roll mix, or it's not really a mix, but a tube of crescent roll dough to wrap around your hot dog and to wrap around your stick with your crescent roll, and you add a little bit of cinnamon sugar, and it came out so good. The hot dog may take a little bit longer, and you have to have a little bit of patience with it, but it was awesome. I couldn't believe it. You know what? I should have done this a long time ago on our camping trips. So next time we go camping, I'm definitely bringing the crescent roll dough with me, and I'm gonna make those cinnamon rolls. Let's take a look at the inside of this. Oops, excuse me. Look at that. It's done so well. And you know what? If you want to add a little bit more cinnamon sugar, you just dip it in the cinnamon sugar you have left over. I had a little bit on my tray here, but and enjoy. It tastes really good, and really only 5 minutes. I'm so impressed. One more thing I wanted to mention is I did cook the hot dogs in the grilling device. Now, if you're going camping outside by a fire, you're gonna want to bring one of these with you, and you just gotta turn it over halfway through. If you're cooking on charcoal, if you're cooking on gas, if you're cooking on an open fire, just try it out. You're gonna love it. Nothing better than cooking on the grill, cooking outside. Enjoy it, and I'll see you for the next Cooking by the Campfire with Miss Allison. See you guys later. Have a great day, everyone. And go camping this summer.